Hi everyone, welcome to Smart Investor. My name is Ganesh. Today we are going to learn an interesting strategy, that is Warren Buffett's investment strategy. Many of you know this. Warren Buffett has very disciplined rules for investing and how he has invested, where he has invested, how he made money. All of us know that. There is nothing new tell about Warren Buffett. There are several strategies, principles he applied, and he made huge money. But today I'm going to put an interesting principle that of course all of us know that, but how he has worked out, we know that. But same principle when we apply our Indian market, how you make money, that and all I'm going to explain. Not only explanation, and at the end of the video, I would also show you my investments based on this strategy, how I invested, and what is the return I got out of that investment, and all I will explain and walk you through that. Hope this video is very interesting, useful to you that. At any point of time, if you like this video, please like the button and share and subscribe. And please share to your friends as well. Let's get into actual content. So there is a principle, one principle I'm going to explain this. What he says, the best thing that happens to us is when a great company gets into temporary trouble, we want to buy them when they are on the operating table. Do you understand? You need to understand and underline that temporary trouble. We need to define what is a temporary trouble. So when a great company, when you say, I call it a blue chip company, I call it blue chip of blue chip company. So when that great company comes under a temporary trouble, definitely that comes under selling pressure. It takes correction. We don't know where it goes and it stops. So that is the company. Everybody is selling. We need to pay the attention by that one. Hold it. So when the trouble gets over, that's called temporary, right? So when temporary means long term, it's an opportunity. So we need to identify such companies when they are available on the table. We'll have to buy it. Then we will get a great returns in this universe of stocks. Anybody can buy any stock anytime, but important is that when do you buy, what price we buy, that is important. A stock of rupees 1000, we are buying in 1000 rupees, is available. Anybody can buy it at 1000 rupees, but 1000 rupees stock is available at 500 rupees. If you buy at the 500 rupees at a discount of 500, you will have more returns. 1000 to become 1500, it takes a lot of time, but 500 to become 1000 rupees, it takes very lesser time. This is the main principle we need to understand while making investment. So these investment opportunities are plenty in our market or Indian market, in any market, because troubles are always there. This is a stock market, right? Stock market subject to market risk. Whenever there is a news, whenever there is a temporary troubles, whenever there is some kind of business issues or growth perspectives or results, such scenarios, some stocks will get correction. That is the time we need to enter and we will have to catch the opportunity. Let's see one by one what are those opportunities, how it happened, why it happened, and how they bounce it back. So now company number one, I want to show you Cipla. When Cipla hit all-time high for the first time 1200 rupees, from there it was corrected to 850 rupees. What was the problem with the? Is it a blue chip company? Yes, it's a blue chip company, no doubt. It is proven track record? Yes. Uh, does it have a good management? Yes. This company doesn't need any explanation to prove. It has a good moat and good business, good everything. But why it was corrected? Pharma companies would give us plenty of opportunities now and then due to some inspections. US FDA will conduct regular inspections. They will give letters. It could be warning letters, inspections, outcomes. Pharma companies take hit. Like that, Cipla also got some hit at 1200. From there, started falling to as low as 850 rupees. So that inspections, that warning letters, does it say stop your business? We don't buy, stop your imports or exports? No, right? So definitely they would give enough time to that companies. Within the stipulated time, those companies would come and fix that. Next time that will be rectified. That is a regular practice in any pharma companies. When such situation is available on the table, opportunity to grab it, buy it, hold it, and then you will see great returns. So 852, where it, so from there again 852 all the way 1300. Do you see that? So this is an opportunity. Only when you buy at 850, you will have great returns. That is for an example for Cipla. Now, Divis Laboratories. During year 2022, several pharma companies have got hit due to US business has down, price erosion happened. So huge, all pharma companies got trouble. When sector itself is trouble, sometimes some good companies would also get corrected, no doubt. In that point of time, we need to catch what is the good company really getting into trouble, then we'll find it. That company is Divis Laboratories. Of course, it has gone as high as 5,200. From there, it came down all the way below 2,800. Almost 50% down. Is it a bad company? No. This is a large cap company, has a debt zero company in pharma space. So such a great company, we need to find it. You may ask, Ganesh, if company is getting corrected, how do I know where to buy? Is that need to buy 4,500, 3,500, or 3,000? We don't know. It is that we don't know such things. So how best you can bargain, you buy it, that is up to you. That is all depends on your talent. We don't know. We have to observe the news. We need to follow the quarterly results. We need to see. So every quarterly results, Divis Laboratories posting negative. So every quarter on quarter, it's falling, close to 2,800 rupees. If that is the time you feel max, this is a very much bottom, there is nothing more, we see correction, maybe you can enter. Or if you are not sure what is the where is the bottom, maybe you can enter into smaller quantity or staggered manner. There are several ways you can enter into such company when it takes good correction. From all the way 2,800 to now it is available at around 4,000. So when you enter at a bottom price like this, you will find good opportunity. You will make good money in multi-folds. Multi-baggers are not available with their label, but we need to find what is the multi-bagger companies available. So when you buy at a very low, then company becomes multi-fold returns, gives you for you. Next company is Arundo Pharma. All the way 1,050 rupees, it was corrected to 400 rupees. Very huge correction, right? Again, similar reason like Divis Laboratories, all pharma companies took a hit like anything during year 2022. But in that case, Aravind Pharma took more correction because it entered into degrowth phase of several months. But it is also again a blue chip company. It's not so easy to become. Does it become zero? No. So chances are to become zero very less. So when it came down to 400 rupees, from there, see how faster it went up. Now all the way 400 rupees to 1120 rupees, even more. Almost three times. from 400 to 1100 above. So that is how you need to catch. When business like Arundo Pharma enter into temporary trouble, you make it, plan it, buy it, own it, then you will see good returns. And what is next? ONGC. What was the problem with ONGC? ONGC when it was available around 180, 190 rupees. So government is imposing infall tax. Definitely that was the first time ONGC. Of course, even Reliance also in that category hit correction all the way 190 to 120 rupees. Is it a company internal problem? Is it a company management problem? Is it a company having any corporate governance problem? No. So windfall tax is there all the time. So government does cut its branch itself? No, right? So this is temporary trouble. Definitely one day again it will government will lift windfall tax slowly. That has actually happened in the trade, in the stock, 122 all the way to 220. It traveled. See the graph how it was going high. That is the company. You catch it, you find good returns. This company ONGC not only in terms of share, it is also giving good dividends, good dividend yield company. Even if stock is not bouncing back so quickly, you would get dividends periodically. So this is the company we can own like this. What is the other company? Bajaj Finance. Similar reasons. Of course, reasons are different each company. So many foreign brokerages put this company downgraded, saying that it would go to 5,000 or 4,500 like this all the way. And since being a part of NBFC, almost 8,000, 7,800 to 8,000 rupees all the way it was it went to all the way down to 5,400. Sorry. Then after that, it proved whoever said is wrong, then it take U-turn from the way through its business quarter results, it showed very strong earnings. From there, 5,400 to again back to 8,200 almost it hit. Such a large cap blue chip company is available at a very fair, huge discount. Who can stop us to own this stock? That is all about Bajaj Finance. What is next? Eicher Motors. What was the problem? When Eicher Motors hit uh, more than 3,000, I mean, of course, more. So there was speculation that Hero Honda or Bajaj Auto also come into their segment. So Eicher Motors is a leader in premium two-wheeler segment, Royal Enfield and all. So along with that, so Bajaj Auto and Hero Motorcom are also introduced their premium bikes. So Eicher Motors took hit correction expecting that it would also find difficult into its monopoly area. It's available at again below 3,000. So that's a good time to take it. Then all the way it went up to 4,200 as well. Next company is HUL, Hindustan Unilever. What was the problem? When stock was around 2,800 during year of 2022. So there was a news that rural demand in consumption would come down. So this is a consumption based company. Demand in rural area is expected to be down. Definitely sales would come down. That was the expectation all the way 2,800 to 1,900. It was corrected. It was such a huge FMCG company, high large cap company. Number one company in FMCG was available at 1,900. Corrected all the way 1,000 rupees almost. Who is stopping us? So such a companies are available. See, I am giving you all the reasons, only temporary troubles. I'm not telling you corporate governance issue. I'm not telling you some fraud. I'm not telling you some scam. Those are different issues we'll discuss later. But these are the trouble in temporary phenomena. We'll find it in the stock market world, in the universe of all the stocks. We'll catch it. We'll buy it. So HUL was the best scenario, best case in that case. What is next? Tata Motors. Tata Motors around 600 rupees all-time high before COVID. During COVID, we know all companies, Tata Motors are not exceptional, but all companies took their own bottoms. But Tata Motors took more, like always 600 to it came down almost 60 rupees. But 60 rupees company became 800 rupees today. How many times? More than 30, almost 13 times. Multibagger. Does it have its own problem? No. Tata itself as a brand company we can trust, and obviously that's a good choice, good opportunity. I mean, I don't need to needless to explain about this phenomena or this scenario. Just I'm giving you this is the best use case for us to understand when company gets into a temporary trouble, buy when it's available on the table at a deep discount. Yes, bank. You would be asking, Ganesh, whatever you said is always good companies, good reasons. But you may think, yes, bank. What do you say about that? Yes, bank has any problem with business? No. Promoters, no, their fraud was exposed. It was a scam that was exposed. That case, it was falling all the way. When it is falling, we need to understand whether it is falling because of their business, this because of that sectorial issue, business because of their personal or promoters or scam, any fraud, any case. We need to find out what is the reason, but on what reason, on grounds of what reason the stock is falling. Of course, that is a risk actually. If we are not judging properly that issue, that category of issue, will be in trouble. Not company in trouble anyway, that is different, but we'll also be in trouble if you don't understand properly. If you understand properly, you'll find it the right company. So that's why I'm telling you, of course, yes, bank and such some computers. You'll find several such companies. Those are scams and promoters, issue from the promoters. Don't run after such companies. We'll have to catch, we'll have to identify, we'll have to find a great company is available at a deep discount due to some temporary trouble. That is why I'm defining a very small universe of stocks. First, stick to Nifty 50 stocks. If you go beyond Nifty 50, you'll find 100 to 1,000 companies. You'll find such reasons, such companies. So many companies today disappeared once they were bright in the stock market. Now we don't see those companies. They became as zero as well. So don't run after such companies. So define your universe of your companies, blue chip companies or Nifty 50, smaller universe. Keep them on your radar. If those companies are available at a deep discount due to some temporary trouble or reasons, find it, buy it, wait for some time. When they come back, then what you can do? You'll make a good investment. Income from that, maybe you can operate covered call. On that, you'll make money every month. If you want to know what is covered call and all, there is a covered call playlist in my channel. You'll find it. If you are a pure investor, don't worry about that such trading, but just buy and hold it for long term. You will make money, good multi-fold returns like this. Now, I will show you my live examples. What are the companies I entered? Most of the companies I showed, I explained, I bought it when they are available at a deep discount. I'll show you that. If you see, Adani Ports. We all know that. Of course, Adani Group companies got correction. As part of that, Adani Ports also got a correction. But Adani Ports has a good business available at a good price. That time, very few quantity, of course, I purchased. Just I'm telling you an example. It is now showing 97% return. ONGC, I explained to you that it came down 120. That time I entered. So I entered at average prices. So I didn't enter all at once in staggered manner, right? Every company just I do like this. So 137 rupees is a average in addition to dividends. Now it is giving 50, it's showing 57% return. If you see Bajaj Finance, I explained. 5,667 rupees. I entered. Now it's showing 35% return. Of course, NTPC, HFC, AMC is also one such case. HCL Tech is also such case. And Cipla, I explained to you, right? Company Cipla, how it when it fell to that level, I entered in a staggered manner. My average price was 1,000 rupees. Now it's showing 25% return. Divis Lab, I explained to you, right? Other company. Yeah, it's the same case. I entered at average of 3,200 rupees. Now it is showing 22% return. So anybody can buy any stock at any point of time. But difference is what price you buy is important. What return you get at the end of the in a long run. That's all important for you to understand. So such opportunities available. You need to be ready to buy it. Hope this video, this data is useful to you, and you'll make a good decision, I believe. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share and like this video and share it to your friends for more such videos. If you like this video, so it gives me more motivation for me to make such video and bring it to you. Thank you very much once again. We have a smart investor group. Maybe that is a very fast medium where I can share all my ideas very quickly. Several ways I'll keep reminding and keep posting my stocks and my investigation, my analysis. If you would like to know such things and trading ideas or my trade strategy, live trades, it's available. You can join group and learn with me. You'll definitely understand much more details on this. Thank you very much once again. Bye bye.